everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Today we're going to make something absolutely delicious. It's my take on a very old-timey sandwich, the Aubergine Sandwich. Now, the aubergine is also known as an eggplant here in the United States. I'm using the word aubergine for the benefit of my international subscribers. The trick you want to do to pick the right eggplant is get a small one like this. Small eggplants, the skin is very thin, it's sweet, and it's edible. If you get a much larger, older eggplant, the skin gets very tough and bitter, and you got to peel it. So we don't have to peel it here. We're going to make it on Thomas's English Muffins. We got some deluxe American cheese. We got oven roasted turkey from the deli and prosciutto. So let's get going. We got a skillet over here with some olive oil heating up. We got 3 eggs and our garlic and herb breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna generously spice the eggs with a generous tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's mix it up. Alright, so we got the eggs all beat up nicely, and I've cut up the aubergines. So we're going to take one, dip it into the egg wash like so, generously, into the breadcrumbs like so, generously, and into the hot oil to fry. Alright, the eggplants are looking nice and brown. That olive oil is delightful. You know, a lot of people say you shouldn't fry in olive oil, but you can. Spaniards do it all the time, and I lived in Spain, so I know. Okay, so let's start assembling the sandwich, because they're about done. Okay, here's 2 English muffins, lightly toasted and well buttered. Each side gets an American cheese, and an aubergine, a slice of tomato, prosciutto over here, oven roasted turkey from the deli over there. 2 deliciously plump, tall little sandwiches ready to be eaten. Okay, I want to try the prosciutto one first because I love prosciutto and I know it goes well with eggplant. So let's pick up this chubby boy and let me get my mouth around it. That is so good. Again, you got to pick a young, small eggplant. No bitterness at all. Very sweet. And if you like the taste of eggplant, this is perfect. Granted, a lot of people don't. Mrs. Rivet does not like eggplant, really. So, no worries, you don't have to eat it. That is good. Prosciutto always goes good with tomato. Let me bite this one, which has the oven roasted turkey from the grocery store deli. That is surprisingly good. I thought that would be plain Jane. It is not. That goes so well with the eggplant. These are delightful sandwiches. Easy to make. Very healthy. Eggplant is good for you. Aubergines. And hey, oops, what's there not to like? Thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.